Most people believe you need a six-figure salary to build wealth, but that's a lie. In fact, countless people earning average salaries have quietly built six-figure net worths. So how do they do it? Let's break down the simple habits that turn small paychecks into lasting wealth. If you wait until the end of the month to save, there will never be money left to save. The trick is to pay yourself first. Automatically move a small amount from every paycheck into savings or investments before you spend anything else. Even if it's just $25 a week, it adds up fast. Fidelity found that most retirement millionaires didn't earn huge salaries. They simply invested consistently for decades. Start small, stay automatic, and let time do the heavy lifting. But saving alone won't get you rich. The next step is making sure your money stays with you. You can't build wealth if your money disappears as fast as it comes in. So start tracking where it goes. Every coffee, every subscription, every "it's only $10" purchase. It's not about guilt, it's about awareness. Once you know where your money leaks, plug the biggest holes first. Focus on the 20% of expenses causing 80% of your waste. Usually food delivery, online shopping, or unused memberships. That's the foundation of financial control. As you start to identify where your opportunities to keep more money are, you need to look at your biggest earner, you. If your salary limits what you can save, your next move is to expand what you earn. But you don't need a new job tomorrow, just a new skill. Take a free online course, get certified, or start a small side hustle that fits your schedule. Even an extra $100 a month can make a long-term difference if it's invested wisely. Remember what Warren Buffett said, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Because once your skills grow, your income follows, and that's where wealth building accelerates. So once that extra money starts coming in, what should you do with it? The most effective wealth builders have a simple rhythm. Save, invest, repeat. Divide your money into three parts. Emergency fund for security, investments for growth, and short-term goals for motivation. Start with index funds or ETFs. Low cost, long-term, and proven to outperform most active investors. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world because it's the closest thing to financial magic. But here's the catch. It only works if you stay consistent. And consistency gets easier when you stop chasing status and start chasing freedom. Wealth isn't about looking rich, it's about staying free. The millionaires next door aren't driving flashy cars or wearing designer clothes. They're regular people, teachers, nurses, small business owners, who spend less than they earn and invest the difference. When your income rises, don't upgrade everything. Let your lifestyle lag behind your paycheck. That's how you turn small wins into long-term wealth. Because every dollar you don't spend is a dollar that can start working for you. And once your money is working harder than you are, that's when true wealth begins. You don't need a high income to build wealth, just the right habits. By doing this consistently, you'll prove that financial freedom isn't about what you earn. It's about what you keep. But keeping more money isn't just about the right habits, it's also about avoiding the daily habits that can hurt your wealth. Check out this video here to learn about these habits that can steal your freedom away from you.